and welcome to Mediation. My name is Snickerdoodle, and you can address me as Snicker. And I take it that your name is Butterfinger?
Yes.
Would you like to go by Butter or Finger?
Butter's okay.
Butter's okay, and you're Peppermint Patty. Would you like to go by Peppermint or Patty?
I like Patty.
Patty? Okay. Well, we're going to have about 2 hours for this mediation, and what mediation is, we're going to come up with a solution to your problems without going to the court, and we'll be able to lay down some just basic ideas of what you can do to solve your problems in a mutual way that each of you can leave satisfied. All right? My role as mediator is neutral. I have no opinions toward whatever either of you have to say, so you can tell me anything you want, and I'm not going to say anything to the other person. It's all completely confidential. So if you tell me something, it's not going to go to him unless you want me to tell him, or if you want to tell him yourself. And then you can tell me anything, and it'll be the same exact way. All right? At any time, I may want to caucus, and I will pull you aside personally. The other person can go outside, and we'll talk it over. And at any point, if you feel like you have an idea that could possibly settle this entire thing, just let me know, and I'll talk with the other person, and we'll come to a mutual agreement about all of it. All right? Sound good? All right. So I'm going to hand you 2 notes, and you can take notes at any time if you feel the need. There you go. And the note taking is just if you find any. You okay?
Yeah.
All right. If you find anything that you need to say and it's not your turn, then just write it down, and whenever it's your turn to speak, you'll be able to say it. And the way turn taking is, I would like to talk with the person first who brought it in, which is you. All right, so I'll speak with you first, and you'll say your opinion, and then it'll go to you after that. All right. Right now, I'll read the consent form for mediation. All right. I understand that all files and notes of MMS and its mediators are confidential. If the parties reach agreement, MMS will not provide a copy of the agreement to the court, the district attorney, or any other person who did not attend the mediation. I agree that I will not hold MMS responsible for any agreements made or failure to reach an agreement during mediation. There are expectations to this rule. A mediator can be compelled to testify about the mediation in cases involving juvenile abuse, neglect, or dependency, abuse, neglect, or exploitation of a disabled adult, disciplinary proceedings before the North Carolina State Bar, felony trials, and criminal acts, violence, or threats of violence made during mediation that endanger a person or property. I understand that mediators are neutral parties and cannot give legal advice or assist in a case. If I have a legal question, I may request a continuance of the mediation in order to consult with an attorney of my choice. I further understand that the mediators and MMS will give no opinion regarding the legal effect of this consent to mediation or any agreement that is reached as a result of mediation. I understand that MMS, mediators, and staff have judicial immunity from any civil action except in the case of willful or wanton neglect. I understand that weapons and physical conflict are not permitted at MMS. I also understand and agree that MMS retains the right to report any crimes committed on the premise. Alright, if I can get you to sign that.
Yeah.
And at this time, if I could get you to put out any weapons that you have. Okay. Alright. And if we could all put our cell phones, that way there are no distractions.
I don't have mine with me.
You don't have yours with you?
Silent,
Silent, please. That would be the best.
Preference.
Alright, and if at any time there's any conflict, I will ask you to leave, and please do not use any vulgar language towards each other. No violence. Please don't, speak out of turn. That would be fantastic. Alright, please be polite to each other. That would be nice. Be polite to me. Alright, are we in agreement?
Yeah, I guess.
Alright. Are there any questions?
No.
Does he have to talk to me this entire time?
No, he's not talking to you at all. She's
So-
talking to me, just only me.
So he talks to you, and then you kind of repeat it back to me?
Yes.
Okay. I think I understand.
Yeah.
I think so.
Okay. Any questions? No.
I think that's it.
No.